itong mga unit owners at villa owners naman. Kasi nagbayad sila eh. In good faith silang nagdagbayad. At ang problema nito, ang ginawa ng new management ng PCDA through the sheriff, nilock nila lahat, pinalitan ng lock ng mga units. So, hindi makapasok ngayon itong mga unit owners. And at the same time, pinapalayas na sila. Na they feel na walang due process. Bakit nyo kami basta-basta na lang palayasin eh? Nagbayad naman kami, nag-invest naman kami.
Kaming mga ibang members at saka mga ibang members outside of Baguio, binili namin yung mga shares namin. So, hindi kami yung membership lang. We bought our shares. And also, I do not know the effect of it being turned into a public golf course. Kasi siyempre, lugi kaming mga shareholders.
I am going to continue with the petition. Our petition is for the court to look into the merits of our petition. What exactly is our petition? For us to enjoy the rights of a member of the golf club up to the year 2047.
So yun ang hinihingi natin sa kanila. A dialogue with, pinadala ko na yung request na yun sa kanila President Jake Bingkang and to Attorney or President Marlo Cuadra of JSMC.
Or what happened presently of this present situation in Camp John-Hay, which already created a lot of chaos, and I don't find it really peaceful because there's a lot of people that's been put into disgrace.